Okay, I know I'm supposed to be doing the intro, but like, listen to this soundtrack. This is so cool. Hello, welcome back to the video thing. We're here, we're doing the video thing. And yup, and that's what we're doing. Okay, we are here on this day. Oh, sound is very bad. 1 second. Okay, fix the sound. Sound is good, working, not bad. This video shouldn't be very long because this is going to be a recap video. I already recorded this video. Oh, and I screwed up again. Okay, the sound is still broken. I give up. Okay, so I did already record this video, but the thing just did not work. The recording software was like, no. So that's what happened, and I did not like it. And that's the story of me getting sad. So today we're going to recap on what I did in the last episode, and I have one thing in mind that I could maybe do. I can't put a picture up, but there's a man, big fat guy, blue fat guy, and he needs to pop. I'm gonna explode. So that's yup. Hey guys, welcome to Slime Rancher, where we blow up fat people. Take that. Okay, I think we have more than enough stuff, and if we don't, I'm gonna be very sad. I'm going to have tears in my eyes. So I'm finally not sick. I was sick for 2 videos that I made, and yeah, I'm not sick now, so that's pretty fun. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I hate you guys. You can wait to plot their revenge on me. Okay, we are here in the Indigo Quarry. Don't know why I said it like that. We're gonna pop this guy, blue fat guy. Hey, my man. Like food? Yup. Oh wow, he likes food. Well, have all the food in the world. You take all my food. Oh. There we go. Took enough. Okay, so we pop him. He gives us a portal. Actually, I kind of want that. Don't! Thank you for not eating that. You can eat these instead. Ow. So we can pop through this portal, and it brings us back to the ranch. Now, I'm just gonna drop off some stuff, but I'm gonna make a cut so you don't see the whole, like, highlight of what I did last episode. Okay, we're back out of the cave. Oh man. So I found some slimes to put in the cage, and yes. Or in the cave, not the cage. So we're going to go get more of them, because I do not have enough of them. There's too little of them, so I'm just going to go back in the portal, and yeah, we'll go get some. Okay, we're back. Boom. Back through here. Look at all these guys. Some cool guys. I don't really care about them right now. We're just going to go over here. There we go. We're gonna want some of you guys. You, and you, but I can't get you. I don't see any more. Anyways, look at this. How did I not stumble across this last episode? Look, you come up here. Oh wow, look at this cool thing. Let's walk in this cave. That's literally, like, I checked every other cave except for this one, and this is the cave. So down here you got these guys, crystal slimes. They're like rock slimes, but they hurt more. And they actually suck. So, yeah, they're like slimes, but they hurt more, and they like make traps for you to stand on, and that hurts you more. So, you can probably see by the combination of my inventory what guys are getting. Get out of here. Okay, I don't like you. No, thank you. Stop. See, you get these little crystals? Boom, they hurt you. Not fun. You know what also hurts me? These guys hurt my feelings. Stop that. Take some more. Stop that. I'm gonna have to go do music on you guys. Here, punk. Give me an ow. Okay, I'm losing health faster than I'm gaining it. We got 14 crystal slimes. Now we just gotta get 14 of the other slime, which, hint hint, look in my inventory. That's the combination we got for the cave. Rat and crystal slimes. Again. Sir, it's nothing personal. You're just trying to kill everyone. And, I can't let you do that. Oh, look at all those rad slimes. Gimme, gimme, gimme. All of your life. Oh, I have too many. Oh well, we can balance them. The ones will eat the other ones apart, so we got more. I think this is pretty good. There's another guy right here, I just realized, and I kind of want to get him. First of all, get out of here. And they all went to... We're just gonna go back the way we came. That's really all I was planning to do in this episode, other than a recap, so... Just pop that one, Gordo. So, there you go. Wow, what a nice episode. That's like 10 minutes long. Ow. Best part about this, I don't have to run all the way back to my thing. I can just boom. So here's the cave. Boom. Look at all these guys. We're gonna release our other guys. Look at them all. They're lovely. Oh, ow. Dang. Just have the carrots. Get carrots. Look at all these carrots. Stop that. I need to get my radiation levels down. We're also growing some of these. I probably already have this as a part of the episode. I think if I Slimepedia, slimes, rad slime. Oh. Who likes the radish? What do you like? Here, this guy likes odd onions. Okay. I don't know what I was thinking there. These things, yup, we're going to replace, because odd onions grow along with carrots for no reason. And since we're already growing carrots, we're just going to replace all the carrots with odd onions. So we can get better things. Just, yeah, get all the carrots. Just eat them over. Look at all these. Oh, what have I done? Oh! Do not run. Do not run. do not do that. I'm about to die. This is great. I like this. I actually really like this. I always do this, but with Q-berry trees and phosphor slimes. But I feel like these guys are gonna be more fun. That's a carrot in the ground. Can you guys just give me some thank you. I'm a little bit traumatized. I just want just put it in there. There you go, and run. Okay, I actually really like that. Look at this. You can just hello. No. You just boom. Oh. There's a crystal on the button. Ow. So I just realized in the cave that water breaks these things. So like, you guys get out of here. This is like I need like this is my hazmat suit. We're traversing this place. Look at this. You're like, boom. Get out of here. Boom. Shoo. Look at that. That's cool and also very wasteful, but that's basically how you gotta traverse. So they should all be growing these things. Let me just check quickly. Okay, yeah, so they're all growing that. That's good. We're just gonna leave these guys here. They can have fun. Okay, I'm gonna quickly speed run some money here. Man, that took a while. Wow. Yeah, so air drive, 20% less energy, boom. Heart module MK3, boom. Power core MK3, boom. This thing, yes. More tank, yes. How much can the thing hold now? 50. Also, I was looking at this wall over here, or the plort market or whatever. 69, coins for a crystal plort. We're gonna be rich. Nice. Okay. I stopped dilly-dallying. Let's go. We're doing the stuff. Also, with that upgrade, let's test it out with the jetpack. Oh yeah, that's more efficient. Look at this. We can move. It's not bad. So like, we also got more energy. Oh, got more energy and more HP. So we can go and just like, alright, I'm gonna just fly over here now. And there we go. We're over here now. This is illegal, I think. I'm probably not supposed to be out here, but hey, we're all cool. Boom. That's nice. From there to there, like that's a lot of energy. This also gets me to my destination a lot faster. We popped cat. Yep, cat gone. Cat is gone. And he gave us this portal. And but it's the most useless portal ever. Look at this. Boom. Wow, it's back to my ranch like the other one, but it's in between the docks, which I haven't bought, in the overgrowth, which I also haven't bought. So it's just like, oh man, can't go in here. Oh man, and yep, that's the whole thing. This portal is useless. Unless I, for some reason, want to buy the docks before I buy the overgrowth. That's the only time it would be useful. But that's dumb. So, yeah, that's literally all we did the last episode. I'm pretty sure. And we also grabbed those guys. We're just gonna fly back. This is great. Oh yeah, look at this. This should be a screenshot. I should take a screenshot and be like, look at my cool ranch. Wow, no way. Okay, I was just about to end the episode, but I gotta fulfill something. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but boom, purchase. We're just gonna buy this. Yup, we bought it. Very cool. Overgrowth is fun because there's free chickens everywhere. And, yep, now we're also gonna buy the docks. Boom. So now we can, this is like free puddle slime, free big puddle slime area. We got some more cages. We got this random dock with an H note. I'm gonna read the H note, like, right now. Okay, boom, H guy, he was like, I don't know, it was very confusing. He's like, I am on a dock, and then, I don't know. What are these circles? Why is there circles everywhere? I want to go there. Where is that place? Can I go there? What's the button? Map. Oh. But can I go there? No. Sad. Oh yeah, you can stick things to these fences. I need to find something to stick. Yeah, that works. Please. You just, boom, stick things on there. Wow, all nice. It's pretty fun for, I don't know. I think it keeps the slimes in if they somehow get out of the cage. They're like, this guy's a slime, right? He's like, oh man, I'm a duck. This guy's like, oh man, I'm a duck. La la la. I mean, I'm a slime, sorry. La la la. And then he's like, I'm gonna jump at this fence. And then it's like, boom, stuck. And then I come over and I'm like, oh man, there's a slime on my fence. And I could put him back in his cage. And so on. I don't know. Or they could just go out there and die. And it's not my fault. Can't sue me. Never mind. I keep finding ways to delay the end of this episode. Wow, look at this nice place. There's a thing. I like that thing. We're gonna go get that thing right now. Yeah. Better be. Hide. That's horrible. Turn that off right now. Visit the ranch house to manage secret styles. I have to go back to the ranch house? Oh. Is this the fun place? No, that's the fun place. Well, I want to go to the fun place. Okay, got H note here. I don't know who this her person is, but that's cool. Yeah, he's talking about the rings and how they're like, he's like, who made them, what they're for, and I also wonder that, what is the purpose of that? You're done. What are these rings? What are these doing here? You know? I've been here before. And there's not many slimes that spawn here, so there's like the first 3. And like, I don't know. Maybe you. Hey, come here, man. Boom. Get out of here. Oh, there is another H note. Okay. Here we go. There's a lot of them. Man. Get big mushrooms, get hunter slimes. That's what he says. No, he says he got some soil from the moss blanket and just put it around here. I could see that being cool. Definitely looks like the moss blanket. Where is that? I mean, I know where that is, but like, I want to get there. Okay, secret styles. Got it. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Very cool. Go back to the normal one. There we go. Oh, we got some spare chickens. Just give me all these chickens. Yeah. Got some treats. Eat them. Eat the chickens. Get them. There you go. Have fun in there, guys. Okay, that's gonna be it for this episode 4.5, I guess, kind of, maybe. What did I do? I created a cave full of death. I created the cave of death, made a lot of money, and exploded a fat blue guy. Yep, it's good day right there. It's gonna be it for this episode. I don't know, like and subscribe, outro stuff.